day 2 of our media tour, media runs. Yeah, shout out to my guys.
First stop, BTFM.
I see. So do you feel like the fact that you were married didn't actually give you the opportunity for you to be able to be more flexible as you guys maybe flirting with a couple ladies?
Yeah, but the thing is, even if I wasn't married, I was still that kind of guy, you know. I really wasn't for the streets, even if I wasn't married.
This is Classic FM. We are here, Classic FM 97.3.
Waiting you feel say make una be the first set of people to come up for the house, Big Brother season 6.
I reason say like they see everybody for the house, they just look for those people where they very vulnerable, we never to get click. We if they select, it no go like bother them later in the game.
So me normally I supposed go to the house, go do single man normally plan before, but as I connect with the guys first, I want to see them as family and so I just open up to them.
Why for you keep that singleness? What is your type of mind? Wow.
My type of mind, I like dark skin.
Just
No wonder you like men.
Hey guys, we just finished with the first media round. It's been amazing connecting with fans, questions asked and stuff. Wow, I'm super tired. Beatrice, I know you're tired. Say something.
I've been tired since audition.
Say something. Did you hear that? Tired since audition. You will not do the show. There is.
Hey, my people, what's going on? You know, it's been amazing. You know, just speaking our truth and just being ourselves.
Done with radio tour today and we're kicking this again tomorrow. Just watch out, man.
Because your baby girl is tired. I'm done for today. I'll continue tomorrow. I love you all.
Hey, my man.
Guys, man, it's been a great day, long day, but I'm grateful for everything, and see you guys tomorrow.